In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download audio from NotebookLM. Whether you're looking to keep an audio overview for offline use or you want to share it with others, downloading it is straightforward. Let's walk through the process together to ensure you can easily follow along. To start, you'll first need to open the notebook that contains the audio overview you want to download. If you have many notebooks, finding the right one can be a bit of a task, so it might help to have it named or labeled in a way that makes it easy to identify. Once you're in the correct notebook, you'll want to head over to the Studio panel. This is usually located on the side or top of your interface, providing a comprehensive view of all your projects and audio files associated with that particular notebook. Now, within the Studio panel, you should see the audio overview that you've previously generated. These can be different types, such as a deep dive, a brief, or another type of overview. It's important to make sure that you have the correct overview selected to avoid downloading the wrong file. Next to the audio player, which might resemble a slider or a standard audio player, you'll notice a More Options icon. This icon is often represented by a hamburger or 3 dots and serves as a gateway to additional actions you can perform with the audio file. Don't hesitate to click on this icon even if you haven't used it before. It's perfectly safe to explore the options available. One of the options that will appear in the drop-down menu is Download. By selecting this option, you're instructing the platform to prepare the audio file for your device. When you choose Download, the audio file will typically be saved in WAV format. This format is widely used and should be compatible with most media players and audio editing software you might use. WAV files are known for their high audio quality, so whether you plan to use the file for professional purposes like a presentation or personal reasons like listening on the go, you'll have a file that captures all the nuances of your original recording. And there you have it. It's that simple to download your audio overview from NotebookLM. Just remember, open your notebook, navigate to the Studio panel, locate your audio file, and use the More Options icon to download it in its high-quality WAV format. This process should make managing your audio files much easier, enabling you to make full use of your recordings wherever and whenever you need them. So go ahead, give it a try, and enjoy the convenience of having your audio overviews readily available at your fingertips.